Today we got this Tucson, and we're going to replace this taillight assembly. They say it flickers when the headlights are on. Somebody else diagnosed it. I'm just replacing it. So I'll turn it on, because when the headlights are on, this light will flicker. So let me turn the headlights on and show that. I don't know how well that shows up on camera because of the LED, but this isn't flickering. That's the video. It doesn't show up very well, but this is flickering. It's kind of pulsing. Not a lot, but so we're going to replace it, and I'm going to see if it's still doing it. I don't know if you can see that. Sort of see that it's doing it. Turn this off, and we'll show you how to replace it. First thing is, you can open it. Now these are real easy to replace. So we got our plastic cover right here. Gonna pop that off. And if we look here, you see we got a 10 millimeter there. And then 10 millimeter. So we're going to want to disconnect it like most other. I'm just going to pinch the tab here. Let me get my tool out there. And then another thing to do before you replace something is, you can see when you have the new one, make sure it's the right one. You can see there's a bolt there, and one there. So there's only three. That way you could be sure you're not missing something. What is that? Okay, we got those set down. And we can take that assembly out. There we go. It's out just like that. I'm going to leave this protective film on until I get it installed. We're going to set that one in. Sure it's all there. There it is. I always get these started by hand so you don't cross thread them. It doesn't, you don't have to really torque these down. It doesn't need a lot of. I don't know what the actual torque spec is, but basically just need to be snug. I mean, it's not doing a whole lot. There you go. Plug that back in. Cover back on, and now I'll turn the lights on and see if it's still doing that flickering. Okay, headlights are on. I mean, just looking through the video, it looks like it's flickering, but it's not actually flickering. So it's no longer flickering now that we replace that. But it does look duller. See how bright that one looks? That one doesn't seem as bright. Alright, get that on there. Plugged in cover. So when I did the test, You saw that this one was stained bright. I mean, we just replaced this one, so this is a new one. But it looks like this one also needs to be replaced, because when I switched sides with it, it was still dim or didn't have a brake light. So I gotta get another one of those. But replacing it's gonna be the same as this. Very simple to replace, quick, easy. Do it in your driveway. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on another one.